Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you found part 1 of the series on practice worksheets of English grammar useful. So here is part 2. Those who are watching my video first time, do subscribe to this channel if you find the content helpful. And don't forget to share with your friends as well. Also, if you want to watch the previous video of this series, that is part 1, you will find the link in the description box. Alright, so the first worksheet is related to the topic pronouns. As you know, pronouns are the words that are used in place of nouns. Here I have only included subject pronouns in the worksheets. And subject pronouns are those pronouns that are used in place of the subject of the sentence. Now, what is the subject? Subject of a sentence means about whom we are talking about in a sentence. Or you can say subject pronouns are those pronouns that perform the action in a sentence. Okay? So pronouns like he, she, it, we, they, you, I are known as subject pronouns. Fine? Now let me rewind that. Pronoun he is used for male gender. Pronoun she is used for female gender. That means to refer to a female gender. Pronoun it is used for animals, plants, trees, and for non-living things as well. But remember that if you have any kind of relation with any animal, like if it's your pet, then you may use he or she also to refer them. Alright? Next pronoun is we. We is used when the speaker is also included with the subject in a sentence. It is a plural pronoun. That means we use it when there are more than one person in the sentence. There is a hint for that. When there will be pronoun I in the sentence, you just have to remember कि जब भी आपको sentence में pronoun I visible हो. That means speaker is also included there. That's why speaker is using I for himself or herself. Alright, so remember it. In that case, you will always use pronoun we over there. Next pronoun is they. They is also used when there is more than one person or thing in a sentence. But the speaker is not included. That means you will not find any pronoun I over there in the sentence. In that case, you will use they. Fine. Next is you. Pronoun you is also a plural pronoun. Although we use it for singulars also to refer to some singular person or anything, fine, but we consider it plural to avoid the confusion. Fine. So you is used for one or more than one person whom we talk to. Now the last pronoun is I. We all use pronoun I to talk about ourselves. Fine. If you want to see detailed explanation of these topics, I have shared the links in the description. Go and check. Okay. Now the first sentence of this worksheet. Here you have to fill the given blanks with the correct subject pronouns. That is he, she, it, we, they, you, I. First sentence is Jack and John are brothers dash are playing chess. Here we are talking about Jack and John. I have underlined them. Fine. So what we will use here? Jack and John are two persons. So we have to use a plural pronoun here. So the option they is correct because there is no speaker included here. We cannot see any I over here. So that's why we will use they. Jack and John are brothers. They are playing chess. Then Meeta is my friend. Dash loves dancing. Here Meeta is a singular noun and she's a girl. So we will use she for Meeta. Meeta is my friend. She loves dancing. Alright. I hope it is clear to you. Now try rest of the sentences yourself. Now here is another worksheet of pronouns. In this, you have to choose correct suitable pronouns to fill in the blanks. Like dash I am going to Delhi. Options are he or I. Just see, after the blank it is given am. And we have learnt that with am we use I. Alright, so I am going to Delhi is correct. Similarly, just read all the sentences carefully, analyze the options, then apply the correct and suitable one. Fine. Now, next worksheet is related to nouns or naming words and verbs or action words. Fine. So, a noun is a word that is used to identify any person, place, animal or thing. They are also known as naming words. Fine. You just have to keep one thing in mind while identifying nouns कि जब भी किसी वर्ड को पढ़कर आपके माइंड में कोई पर्सन, कोई प्लेस, कोई एनिमल या कोई थिंग रिफ्लेक्ट हो, दैट इज अ नाउन. ऑलराइट. On the other hand, verbs or you can say action words are the words that shows any action or a state of being. जब भी किसी वर्ड को पढ़कर आपको लगे कि ये कोई एक्शन परफॉर्म किया जा रहा है, फाइन, दैट मीन्स दैट इज एन एक्शन वर्ड और वर्ब, लाइक पेंट, ईट, रन, प्ले. All these words show that some action is being done. Fine. Action words are also called doing words. Verbs are important because they make a sentence complete. Verbs are very important for a sentence. Without a verb, a sentence doesn't make any sense. Alright? Now, have a look at the worksheet. Here you have to circle the nouns and underline the verbs. Okay? First sentence is, the children are playing in the garden. Here, after reading the word children, immediately some persons came into my mind. Right? So that is a noun. After reading the word playing, some action came into my mind. That means this is an action word. Verb. After reading the word garden, some place came into my mind. That means that is a noun. So children and garden are nouns here. They will be circled and playing is an action word. It will be underlined. Alright? Similarly, you will do in all the sentences. Fine. Try them yourself. Now, here is another worksheet of action words or verbs or doing words. Here you have to circle only verbs in each group of words. Some words are given to you like elephant, hair, shout, bone. You have to find the action word here. I read the word elephant. An animal came into my mind. That is a noun. I'll not take it. Hair. It is also a noun. Shout. Shouting is an action. Okay. So shout is a verb here. It will be circled. Then I read the word bone. Bone is a thing. So that is also a noun. Fine. Similarly, analyze all the words. Then identify the verb here. Okay. Now, alright, children, all the answers are shown at the end of the video, but first try all of them yourself. Also, I have attached a PDF of all the unsolved and solved worksheets in the description so that you may get their print if you want. Alright? Now, next worksheet is of singular plural. So there are some rules to make singular nouns into plural. Okay. So, general rule says we simply add s to some of the words to make it plural. कुछ words ऐसे होते हैं जिनके लास्ट में हम सिर्फ लेटर s ऐड करते हैं to make them plural. Alright, that you have to learn and you will get them with the passage of time, with practice. Okay. So, for example, book. Book We will simply add s to make it plural. Books. Car will become cars. Bat will become bats. Like this. Okay. Now, some nouns that end in letter S, X, Z, CH, SH. कुछ वर्ड्स जो इन सभी इनिशियल से एंड होते हैं जैसे कि S, X, Z, CH और SH. We add ES to make them plural. For example, bus. It is ending with S. So we will add ES to it. Buses. It became plural. Box. It is ending with X. So we will add ES. Boxes. Similarly, bench. It is ending with CH. Benches. Fine. Brush. Ending with SH. Brushes. Moving on. Some nouns that end with consonant plus Y. Consonants. What are consonants? They are the letters except vowels. And vowels are letters A, E, I, O, U. इन सभी लेटर्स को वाउल्स कहते हैं और जो भी इनके अलावा लेटर्स होते हैं हमारे पास लाइक बी सी एफ ऑलराइट लाइक दिस दीज आर कॉन्सोनेंट्स. सो जब भी कोई वर्ड कॉन्सोनेंट और वाई से एंड होगा व्हाट वी विल डू देयर वी विल रिमूव वाई एंड वी विल ऐड आई ई एस टू इट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिटी इट इज एंडिंग विद वाई एंड उससे पहले क्या है टी. टी इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट एंड देन वाई. सो कॉन्सोनेंट प्लस वाई. रिमूव वाई हियर and add IES. Cities. Okay. Similarly, party. Parties. Fine. Now, next rule says whenever there is consonant plus O, then we will add ES to make it plural. Consonant are the letters except vowels. Example, hero. Here, R is a consonant and O is added to it. Then what we will do? Simply add ES to it. Heroes. Eco, ecos. Tomato, tomatoes. Mango, mangoes. Okay. Next, whenever any word that will end with F or FE. FE is not written here, but you have to remember F and FE. Then what we will do? We will remove F or FE and we will add VES to it. Like wife, it is ending with FE. So we will remove this FE and we will add VES. Wives. Knife, knives. These are the examples of FE. Now let's take an example of F. Scarf. SCARF. It's ending with F. So we will remove this F and we will add VES. Scarves. Calf, calves. Alright. Next two rules says these are for irregular nouns. Nouns that does not follow any rules. There are some nouns that does not follow the rules that we discussed above. Like man. Man becomes men in plural. Woman becomes women. Child, children. Tooth, teeth. Alright. There are many more. These are just examples. Next, nouns that remain the same in plural. कुछ nouns ऐसे भी होते हैं that does not change when we make it plural. For example, aircraft. It remains aircraft. Sheep remains sheep. Deer remains deer. Hare remains hare. Fish remains fish. Alright? Just remember them. Now, this is the worksheet of singular plural. Just read all the words carefully, apply the rules and write their answers. Next worksheet is of gender. You are given one of the gender. If it is a feminine gender is used for females and masculine gender is used for males. Okay. So if it is a feminine gender, convert it into masculine, and if it is a masculine one, convert it into feminine. Alright. I just give explanation of two words. In singular plural, horse will become horses. Simply add s to it. Baby will become babies. Remove y, add ies, babies. In gender, first one is cow. Cow is a feminine gender. Convert it into masculine. That is bull. Okay. Aunt is a feminine gender. Uncle is a male gender. Okay. Similarly, you have to do them in your notebook. Fine. Answers are shared at the end. You may check after doing yourself. Now, there is a short homework for you. You have to write a paragraph on the topic my mother. You may include the points that are given in brainstorm. Like you can describe her qualities, looks, nature, habits, likings, and all that. Okay, you may include your own points as well. Fine. Well, that's all about this video. Hope you liked it and find the content helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, and share with your friends and relatives so that they can also polish their concepts by practicing these topics. Moreover, hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you can get the notification of every new video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care. See you in the next video. Now have a look at the answer keys. Although they are attached in the description box as well, the PDF is attached for solved as well as for unsolved worksheets. Fine. Thank you.